Tour guide was saying this was the oldest rainforest in the world. So we're about to head up there. So now we're here for the Daintree river cruises. Should be fun. We're gonna go on the river. It's not the right season to see crocodiles, but if we get lucky, maybe we'll see some. No promises though. See how it goes. Husband.
Crocodile.
There's no crocodiles, babe. It's not crocodile season.
Crocodile.
We saw one crocodile, so that's good. Now we're in Daintree National Park, and this is Alexandria Point Lookout. Now we're down at the beach that we can see there.
The mountain behind Cape Tribulation is Mount Sorrow. A couple of mountains to the north, Mount Misery.
Oh my gosh.
The beach up by the Bluefield waterfall is called Wearisome Bay.
So this is Cape Tribulation. This is the only place in the world where two national parks meet. The Great Barrier Reef National Park, over there.
Right there.
And Daintree World Heritage National Park, over there.
It's one of the most beautiful places I've ever been in my whole life.
Such a beautiful beach. One of the most beautiful beaches I've ever been to. Amazing.
3 years, was it? We used to go, we used to go surfing all along the
18 months was it?
18 months, yeah. We loved it.
Time to try it.
But you need a very, the surf was very good. He had it all to himself.
Wow.
Himself and his pal, like that.
Pretty salty.
Good at butter.
Do you
With butter too?
I just want to taste it for now.
Now we're trying it with butter.
Because it's full of vitamins. So it keeps the boys in the trenches slightly healthy. Keeps biting. They can just carry their
That's like
jar of Vegemite.
chocolate became such a good thing. Big thing.
Yeah.
There's a lot of butter.
You can probably use that too.
It's like salty butter.
Oh yeah.
Guinness.
Yeah.
Not my favorite thing.
All right.
So we just had a lovely lunch. Very, very good lunch. Went for a little swim. And now we're in Noah's Valley. Going for one last little hike through the jungle to see what we can find. So our last stop now, some ice cream. Oh, really? Looking forward to it.
Sticker that says pineapple fluffy top and bottom. You've got your raspberry. This one here is your water seed. This is our native tree. And it's got a chocolate.
To the pineapple.
Raspberry. Bottle seed. Tastes like chocolate. And then the black sapote.
I'll just do and I'll already do it for you. And it doesn't matter if I chuck it in the freezer.
See you guys.
Great to meet you as well. Thank you
Safe
so
journey.
much. You as well. Take care.
Bye-bye.
Tony's Tropical Tours. Awesome. Highly recommend it.
Thumbs up.
Now we got right back. This little bad boy. Just remember, stay on the left.
Alright, cassowaries are killed. More by speeding cars than they are by any predators out there.